Hello, young explorers. Are you ready for an amazing adventure through time? Today, we're going to discover the incredible story of how humans came to be. It's a journey that spans millions of years, filled with fascinating creatures, exciting changes, and the evolution of our very own species. So, buckle up and let's travel back in time to explore the story of human evolution. Our story starts billions of years ago when the Earth was a very different place. There were no people, animals, or even plants, just tiny, simple organisms living in the oceans. Over time, these tiny organisms evolved. That means they slowly changed and developed new features to help them survive. Some grew bigger, some developed the ability to move, and others started to form groups. This process of change over time is called evolution, and it's how all living things, including humans, came to be. Fast forward to about 65 million years ago, after the dinosaurs had disappeared. This was the time when mammals, animals that have fur or hair and usually give birth to live babies, started to thrive. Among these mammals were the primates, a group that includes monkeys, apes, and humans. Primates are known for their grasping hands, forward face and eyes, and large brains compared to their body size. Our earliest primate ancestors lived in trees, using their hands and feet to swing from branch to branch. They were small, agile, and very good at climbing. Around 6 to 7 million years ago, something remarkable happened. Some primates began to spend more time on the ground and started walking on 2 legs instead of 4. This is called bipedalism. Walking upright had many advantages. It allowed these early humans to see over tall grass, carry food and babies, and use their hands for tools and other tasks. One of the earliest known bipedal hominins, that's a fancy word for human ancestors, is Ardipithecus ramidus, who lived about 4.4 million years ago. Ardi, as scientists call her, had a mix of features. She could walk on 2 legs, but also had adaptations for climbing trees. Next, let's meet Australopithecus afarensis, a species that lived around 3.9 to 2.9 million years ago. The most famous fossil from this group is Lucy, discovered in Ethiopia in 1974. Lucy was about 3.5 feet tall and walked upright, just like us. However, her brain was smaller, and she still had some features suited for climbing trees. Australopithecus species were important because they represent a stage in evolution where our ancestors were fully bipedal, but still retained some tree climbing abilities. Around 2.4 million years ago, a new species emerged, Homo habilis, which means handyman. This species is known for using simple stone tools to cut meat and crack open bones. Homo habilis had a larger brain than Australopithecus and showed signs of more complex behavior. They were among the first of our ancestors to use tools regularly, marking a significant step in human evolution. Next up is Homo erectus, or upright man, who lived from about 1.9 million to 110,000 years ago. Homo erectus was taller and more robust than earlier humans and had a brain size closer to modern humans. They are known for being the first human species to use fire, cook food, and create more advanced tools. Homo erectus also migrated out of Africa, spreading into Asia and Europe, making them the first global travelers. Now let's talk about Homo neanderthalensis, commonly known as Neanderthals. They lived in Europe and parts of Asia from about 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. Neanderthals were skilled hunters, made complex tools, and even created art and jewelry. They lived in caves and had a strong, stocky build suited for cold climates. Interestingly, Neanderthals and modern humans coexisted for thousands of years and even interbred. That means many people today have a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA. Finally, we arrive at Homo sapiens. That's us. Modern humans appeared around 300,000 years ago in Africa. Homo sapiens developed advanced tools, created art, built shelters, and formed complex societies. They were excellent at adapting to different environments and eventually spread across the globe. Our ability to communicate, think abstractly, and work together has allowed us to build civilizations, invent technology, and explore the universe. The story of human evolution is ongoing. Scientists continue to make new discoveries that help us understand our past. By studying fossils, tools, and ancient DNA, we learn more about how our ancestors lived, adapted, and evolved over millions of years. Wow, what an incredible journey we've taken together. From tiny tree-dwelling primates to modern humans exploring space, the story of human evolution is truly amazing. Remember, evolution is a slow and continuous process. It shows us how all living things are connected and how we've adapted to survive and thrive. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations into science and history. Until next time, keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop learning.